Today, I want to have a little fun and learn at the same time with AI. That's ChatGPT. If you haven't heard, it's the newest sensation, but there's a lot of information to glean. So if you want to learn today, this is a good video to check out. So let's do it on the other side. So without any further ado, let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is John from Flippin' Ain't Easy, and as I mentioned, we're going to do a little GPT. That's openai.com. It is an awesome thing. Now, I talked about this on the live stream back on Monday. So in this video, I want to just do some things. Ask the AI some questions, okay? Now, wish you guys were here with me in the live. It's so much fun. You can ask it all kinds of good stuff, but I want to be focused on eBay as it pertains to eBay. And maybe we can get some nuggets here because see, ChatGPT is an AI that is linked in not into the Google searches like a lot of people think. It's just a bot that actually does Google searches for you. No, you can actually have an actual conversation with this thing. It has data sets that's been programmed into it, and I believe the data sets are been programmed up until like 2021. Now, of course, you might think, well, that's like a year plus ago, but I got to tell you, this thing really knows its stuff. And a lot of, we had this talk about this on the live stream. A lot of the stuff that's happened with eBay since 2021, there hasn't been a whole lot of big changes with eBay since 2021. I mean, the meat and potatoes of how eBay operates is pretty much the same, and it has been for a while. So I want to dive in without any further ado. I told you that at the beginning without any further ado, but now let's go ahead and dive in and just see what we have here, okay? So first of all, I'm in GPT, and hopefully you could see this pretty well. I have it blown up as good as I can so that I can, not have to keep adjusting it. So what my main question is what is eBay, or actually, what is your understanding of the eBay SEO and Cassini? So for those of you who don't know, SEO is search engine optimization, and Cassini is the eBay algorithm, okay? And so I'll put a question mark there, and let's see what it says. Now, it is really amazing how fast it gets back to you, but let's read it here. My question was, what is your understanding of eBay SEO and Cassini? And the answer is eBay SEO refers to the process of optimizing an eBay seller's listing in order to improve their visibility and search ranking within the eBay marketplace. This can include, now pay attention, I've talked to you guys about this before. This can include optimizing the title and description of the listing, using relevant keywords, and providing high quality images. And then it goes on to say, Cassini is the name of the search engine used by eBay. It is designed to help buyers find the products they're looking for as quickly and easily as possible. Cassini uses a variety of factors to determine the relevance and rankings of listings, including keywords, seller ratings, and overall quality of the listing. Okay. Now, some takeaways from this. It mentions it twice. Relevant keywords. And then over here with Cassini, including keywords, okay? So your title only consists of 80 characters. That's all the room that you have to work with the title. And for many of us, the item that we're selling, we have so much to say about the item that 80 characters is not going to be enough. So if you simply rely on just that alone, just your title, and you allow, let's say you're making your listing in the app, right? And you just don't even bother with a item description, and you just allow eBay to throw your title in there, which is what they do, then you're really not utilizing the SEO, search engine optimization, because you're not putting keywords in. So when your buyer searches for your item but adds another word or two in their search that's not in your title, then it's not likely your item's going to be very high in the ranking. So that's why it's important to have a quality item description. So we could ask it about that too, but it says providing high quality images. Of course, it does mention that Cassini looks at your seller ratings, that's your seller health, right? And the overall quality of the listing. So, that has to do with your price, again, your photos, your just the way you've laid it out. If you don't have a lot of item specifics for it filled in, then it does negatively have a negative impact on that. So, and there's a lot of theories out there. Look, I'm just reading what this is saying, and this basically is in touch with the data set that it's been given. We could talk about, I could probably pull up a lot of this on eBay's help and contact page, maybe do searches that way. But this is really, I can really have a conversation with it. So when we're talking about, let's say, the item description, what is the importance of having a quality item description? And then that's all I have to say, because we're in the middle of this conversation. I don't have to say eBay or anything like that. It knows. Having a quality item description is important for several reasons. Search engine optimization, SEO, a well-written and detailed item description can help improve the visibility and search ranking of a listing within the eBay marketplace. This can be achieved by including relevant keywords and phrases and buyers may use when searching for a similar item. Providing information. So this is the second phase of it. A quality item description should provide detailed and accurate information about the item, including its condition, features, and any relevant specifications. This can help buyers make informed purchase decisions and reduce the number of questions they may have about the item. So, unless you want to be bombarded with customer questions, if you have this information in the listing, chances are the buyer, we know that buyers don't read all the time, right? But chances are the buyer is going to maybe read it. And if that person really needs that answer before they buy your item and it's there, they don't have to reach out to wait for your answer. So number 3, it says building trust. A well-written and detailed item description can help build trust with potential buyers. By providing accurate and thorough information about the item, sellers can demonstrate their knowledge and expertise, which can help increase the likelihood of a sale. That sort of builds that professional-looking item description. And an item description that has good rounded information versus a same item that has nothing there. I think it makes the buyer feel a bit more confident about what you're selling, that you know what you're selling. Now, the last one is convey brand voice. A quality item description also helps to convey brand voice and personality. This can be important for sellers who want to create a sense of brand loyalty and trust with their customers. So like I used to have, and maybe this is one of the things that might be important with having a template, which is something I don't have anymore. I think it's just kind of a waste of time, but I'd have my brand name on there, value trends for that. I think that's more important to establish a brand when you have a niche. When you have things all over the map like I sell, I just haven't been able to really establish a niche. Not because I really don't want to, it's just that the sourcing isn't there for me to do it. And that's the problem. So that really doesn't apply to my type of store, but those are the factors that it's looking for. So what else could we ask this thing? Okay, since we're in item description, let's go provide an example of an optimized item description for maximum SEO search rank. And I can't really see because I got my camera in the way. Okay. Here's an example of an optimized item description for maximum SEO search rank. So the title, Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max unlocked 128 gig graphite. Description, including the greatest and latest smartphone technology, the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. The sleek and powerful device is unlocked and ready to use with any carrier. The stunning 6.7-inch OLED display, blah, blah, blah. It goes into it. You can see it here. It goes into the details, right? Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Order now and get free shipping. And then it's adding keywords here. Now, I thought that this was kind of like keyword spam, right? You're not really supposed to keyword this, but I guess it's not. You can do something like this. It's keywords Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, unlocked 128 gigabyte graphite OLED triple camera, 12 megapixels, photography, factory reset, accessories, free shipping. And so they throw that in there to apply keywords that a buyer might type in their search. And because it pertains to the item, I believe you could do that. It's it's designed so you're not putting in other factors in there, okay? Now this is in this example, and now this is not part of the description that it's giving you. It's trying to explain itself. It's saying in this example, the title and description both include relevant keywords, Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, unlocked 128 gigabyte graphite OLED triple camera 12 megapixels photography that buyers may use when searching for a similar item. The description also provides detailed and accurate information about the item, such as its condition, features, and any relevant accessories, and free shipping offer that can increase the chances of converting a viewer into a buyer. So now I would say some people don't like to look at these large paragraphs, so this the large swaths of information in the item description. So can you rewrite this item description using some bullet points? Now, I didn't say all bullet points. Let's hope that hopefully they don't put all bullet points, but even if they do, the title, okay, description, latest and greatest smartphone technology. Just starts going in and adding bullet points, as you can see here. And I think personally, when we're building, see, we're just trying to build keywords, okay? So that here is easier to read, right? It's more compact, it's more precise. Buyers can get lost in the sea of words. So if you have it broken down by bullet point here, it's so much easier for them to read, right? And then underneath it says, this format can make it easier for buyers to quickly scan and find information they're looking for. It also highlights the key selling points of the product, which can help increase the chances of converting a viewer into a buyer. So simply this, I mean, I don't know if I want to screw up my format here that I'm doing to try to, and I wasn't planning on doing that, but to try to make a title. But I mean, I guess we can go into titles too, but this should give you an idea of item descriptions. And it's a powerful, powerful tool, guys. If you are just allowing your title to drive your sales and your listing performance in search, then you're really leaving a lot on the table. And the argument a lot of people will make is, I'm selling stuff just, left and right, so I don't need to add anything to my listing. And I guess if you're satisfied, right? And I'm the kind of person that's never satisfied. If I was knocking it out the park like I was in 2019, it's because I have good stuff and it's going to sell itself. I get it. But if you have product that you put up and it doesn't all sell overnight, right? Or within a couple days, you have stock that's constantly and consistently moving, but maybe it can move faster. And this kind of thing can help drive your search results, so you're maybe even a little higher in search. It doesn't hurt, and it doesn't take a lot of work. You're not going through and getting all this information. So if I said, look, build me an item description, okay, for the following product, okay, and then I will put okay, I'm gonna do this item. I showed you guys this. I'm not selling it yet because I'm waiting for them to give me my return label. But this is a blend jet. It was a very popular item over the Christmas holiday, and this is a seafoam color. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is put blend jet 2 seafoam color, new inbox. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm gonna put. Now the title, it's going to give me a title, BlendJet 2 Portable Blender, Seafoam Color, new in box. Now I would say that that is the title that it's suggesting, but I think the first part of that title is fine. You know, the whole new in the box thing, I would rather you put some other benefits in there, but you know, that's debatable. Now it says description. The BlendJet 2 portable blender is the perfect solution for making healthy and delicious smoothies on the go. Seafoam color gives a stylish touch. Compact and lightweight design makes it easy to take wherever you go. Powerful motor, stainless steel blades blend even the toughest ingredients with ease. New in box and never used, this BlendJet 2 is ready to help you make your perfect smoothie. Perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, puree, baby food, and more. USB rechargeable, easy to clean. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Now, I have a problem with that. Now, I don't know if it's just writing me the best description. So now it gives you sort of an explanation. So I'll just say rewrite this description with the understanding I am an unauthorized reseller without warranty. Okay, so let's see. So it does the whole title again. And that one it just says new, which is you know, instead of new in box, which is weird. But it goes on to say the benefits again. I'm not going to repeat what those are. It's the same as what I read before. Note, as an unauthorized reseller, this product is sold without a warranty. And this new description highlights the product's features. It also mentions the product is an unauthorized seller. Now, look, here's the thing. This is not perfect, okay? But I'm willing to bet that it would take you much longer to go in to find this BlendJet 2 and find all the characteristics and to, within your own words, go in and type each one of these things out so you're not plagiarizing anyone, right? I mean, you can kind of argue that this is doing the work for you and therefore you're plagiarizing it. But I doubt it's taking information off of a website to do it. It's basically taking the data and it's translating it to you. You know, I was having a lot of fun with this thing. I was actually having this thing, you know, can like rewrite this as if a 5-year-old was reading it. Okay, and it's kind of funny. BlendJet 2 smoother maker. I don't know why I would say smoother, but BlendJet 2 is a special machine that makes yummy and healthy smoothies. Its seafoam color is pretty and cool. It's small and not heavy, so you can take it with you anywhere you go. It's very strong and has sharp blades that can bend any type of fruits and veggies very well. And it says, note, this is not from the official store and does not come with promise to fix it if it's broken. So nobody's going to write. I guess you could simply, you know, maybe dumb it down a little bit like this. You know, instead of talking about a warranty, just says, note, this is not from the official store and does not come with a promise to fix it if it's broken. I think that's absolutely funny. It says you can use it to make smoothies, special drinks, puree, and even baby food. So, yeah, I think that's funny. So now I want to talk about real quick about writing your title. So create an optimized eBay title for this item for maximum, and I don't even know if I have to say this, SEO search ranking. And let's see what it says here. Now, hopefully it doesn't do it like it's for a 5-year-old, but let's see what it does. It's thinking about it, so that's a good thing. It doesn't spit it out. It says, here's an example of an optimized eBay title for the BlendJet 2 portable blender for maximum SEO search ranking. BlendJet 2 portable blender, seafoam color, new USB rechargeable smoothie maker, free shipping. And this title includes relevant keywords such as BlendJet 2 portable blender, seafoam color, new USB rechargeable, smoothie maker that buyers might use when searching for similar items. Also, the inclusion of free shipping could be an incentive for potential buyers to purchase the product. So there you go. And this here is really nothing short of spectacular. You can have it do all kinds of crazy things. You can have it write resumes for you. You can have it write coding for Microsoft Excel. Maybe if you're making an extravagant spreadsheet for accounting, and that's something that I may start to mess with a little bit more. But it's just an awesome tool. I want to know down below, have you tried this software? Have you tried it? It doesn't cost anything. That it might be a rough time getting in. I can tell you the intention for me was to earlier today make this video. Of course, you're watching this the next day, and it was down for everyone and didn't come back down until later in the evening. So, which is why I'm making it now. But I can tell you that some people were saying that they're not even allowing new people to sign up. So I'm sure that's going to change because it's such a big phenomenon. It seemed to be a little bit easier to use when it came back up. So maybe they're increasing the servers or the amount of users that can actually use this at the same time. But it's just so awesome. I mean, I know some people who are actually using this to answer difficult customer questions about their item because they want to come off as being professional. And I mean, we can go into so many things. I mean, one thing I wanted to do, and if this actually interests you guys, I might make another video asking it certain questions. So if you want to ask those questions down below, things that can be used by more than just you. I mean, as resellers, maybe we can all benefit from that information. Find a good solid question for the AI, and I'll be glad to, on an upcoming video, if we decide to do this, if it gets enough demand, I'll be glad to go in and to ask the questions and have a conversation. More than just asking a question, you can ask it to elaborate, ask it to explain, and go into more detail about the answer it gave. It's really awesome. So I want you to do this, guys. Of course, comment down below, put your questions for the next video down below. But also, if you enjoyed the content here, if you found this somewhat useful or even interesting, hit the like button. Of course, if you like my channel, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so the next time I make a video or go live like we do on Mondays and Fridays, you're going to be one of the first that's notified. So I want you to do me a favor. I want you guys to have a great rest of your week. I'm going to head to the bins tomorrow with Archie. We're going to try to see if we can get some stuff, some more stuff to sell. But check out this video here and see if it interests you. Talks a little bit more about the AI. That's the live stream that we had on Monday. It was very interesting. It kind of hits on what we're talking about here. And until next time, we will talk to you guys very soon.